Good morning dear children, I am your teacher Diana and I am here today for the life skill activity brushing. Okay, I am going to teach you how to brush your teeth in a very proper way to keep your teeth healthy and happy all the time. Are you all ready children? Come on. So first take a baby brush because you all are not babies. So take a baby brush. Okay, wet your brush with a small amount of water. Put a small amount of toothpaste. A small amount of toothpaste in a size of a pea. Now start brushing the front teeth in a circle motion. Brush your front teeth in a circle motion. See your babies how I am brushing in a circle motion. Next, brush the outer part of the surface in the sides of your teeth. Brush the outer surface, both the sides in a circle motion. Next, you are going to brush the chewing surface. These are the chewing teeth, isn't it children? So, we are going to brush the chewing surface, the bottom surface. Now, brush your upper surface. Very good children. Now your surface is clean. Next, flip your toothbrush upside down and get into the inside part of the front top teeth and brush very softly. Brush it very softly. Now flip your brush back and get into the front part of the inner surface of the front teeth. Brush it very softly while you are brushing the inner surface babies. Next, brush your tongue because while you are brushing some bacteria may would have stuck on your tongue. So, brush your tongue. And now it's time to clean your mouth, isn't it? So gargle your mouth with water, clean, okay? And now the brushing gets over. So don't forget to brush your teeth 2 minutes 2 times a day, okay? Dear parents, getting your kids brushing 2 minutes 2 times a day is a very big challenge. So to help your kids to focus on brushing for 2 minutes, you could set a timer and play a favorite song for them for 2 minutes. Dear parents, you could prepare a wall chart and give them a sticker if your wards brush their teeth 2 minutes 2 times a day. So my dear children, make sure to brush your teeth 2 minutes 2 times a day every day to keep your teeth healthy, white and happy all the time. Children, I have a happy tooth and a sad tooth over here. So to keep your teeth happy all the time, you need to have only healthy food to keep your teeth happy all the time. And don't have junk foods to keep your teeth sad all the time. So I hope you prefer only to keep your teeth happy. So have your healthy food and avoid eating junk foods. My dear children, don't forget to brush your teeth 2 minutes 2 times a day. See you all soon in the next life skill activity. Bye bye children. Bye bye.